have that deed. It's joint tenancy, and is there other options, or what is? I sort of forgot. I think you mentioned it.
So when two or more people own a piece of property, they can be tenants in common, or they can be joint tenants, rights, or survivorship. Joint tenants, rights, or survivorship means as these owners of a piece of property pass away, their interest automatically goes to the survivors. So if there's 5 owners and one of them dies, now it belongs to the 4 owners, and one of them dies, it belongs to the 3 owners. Or if there's 2 owners and one of them dies, it belongs to the survivor. Tenants in common means as each owner passes away, their interest will pass not to the other owners, but to whoever they happen to direct within their will. That's the differences, Jerry. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, it sure does. Is there such a thing as just the joint tenancy without the rights of survivorship?
Well, we would have to go to the statutes and see how joint tenancy is interpreted, because in the history of deeds, there have been many deeds that did not clearly state tenants in common, joint tenants, rights, and survivorship. And then it comes down to the courts interpreting what those words mean. And joint tenancy, probably the courts interpret as be joint tenants, rights, and survivorship, but I wouldn't know without looking for sure.
Okay, yeah, probably it would be the same then. That's good, because that's the interesting thing. I saw one deed that had just JT on it when I looked it up.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Thank you, Jerry.
Yes. In addition, though, if it says nothing after the names, it automatically means tenants in common.
Good point, Chrissy. Everybody, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law. You're listening to WDBO.